best kitchen helper's already here. Second best kitchen helper's already here. I thought we said no video for Easter. We changed our mind. We sure did. Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking with power. If you didn't see the most recent video, we didn't have power due to an ice storm, and we said there probably wasn't going to be a video this week, but it's Easter, and I wanted to make something fun. Happy Easter, by the way. Today, we're making some Easter nest cookies. I've never made these before, but they looked really good, and I wanted to try them, and I figured if I was going to make them, I might as well share them with you guys. Also, pro tip, if you want to get like the Easter candy that you need for these, go tomorrow. It's all going to be on sale anyway, so who cares if it's after Easter? You can call them spring nests if you want to. This is going to be pretty fun. So the ingredients for this are going to be a little bit strange. You're going to need 4 cups of chow mein noodles. Buy it in the bag if you can. It'll be cheaper. They didn't have any in the bag at our store. You're going to need 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips and then 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter chips. Good luck finding that. I couldn't find that. Instead, I found this. So we're just going to make that into a total, which would be what, 2.25 cups? Is that right? Close. We'll figure it out. I'll tell you when I measure it. You can actually use any type of chips that you want to make this. And then you're going to need some eggs. If you cannot find the milk chocolate eggs or the malted eggs or those types of eggs, you could also use like M&Ms or jelly beans, whatever you want. There's no rule in this. We're making whatever we want. So if you do it like I did, you can measure out 1.5 cups and then 2/3 of a cup, or it's like about 2.25 cups, a little bit more. This isn't an exact science. We're not baking with this. We're gonna melt these and then we're gonna coat those in them. So just make sure you have enough to do that. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it over here in my super cute, adorable new microwave, because during the power outage, my microwave got fried. We're gonna put these in there for about 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between until they're melted. Don't overdo them. It's really easy to burn this stuff, so take your time. Look at how fun this is to do 30 seconds on this microwave. Ta-da! While we're starting to melt that, we're gonna get out about 4 cups of chow mein noodles. And I'm actually going to pour those into this bowl and then pour the chocolate on top of them, because this bowl won't fit in my cute little tiny microwave. Would you like to try a chow mein noodle? Here you go. Have a chow mein noodle or two. What do you think of that? Oh, it's crunchy. Oh, look, second best kitchen helper has arrived. Would you like to try one? There you go. What do you think? Also nice and crunchy. Now we gotta go find Kira and give some to her. Well, there's third best kitchen helper ever holding down the couch. Here you go. Would you like to try those? Crunchy stuff. All right, let's finish melting the peanut butter and chocolate. That is some perfectly melted chocolate. Now, like I said, because my microwave is so small, I can't mix in this bowl. So I've poured the chow mein noodles in this bowl, and now we're gonna take and we're gonna put all this chocolate. I can't do this with one hand, hold on. I got extra hands, look, extra hands. All right, so we're gonna take this beautiful peanut butter chocolate that kind of tastes like the Reese's peanut butter cup. We're gonna pour it all over here, and then we're gently, I know it's beautiful, we're gonna gently fold it all together. Oh my goodness. I just want to eat it. Like, wait, watch this. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Oh, nom, nom, nom. Oh my goodness. Those are going to be delicious. Girl, I love the smile on your face. You just are the happiest dog on the planet, I swear. So while Jamie's doing that, I got a cookie sheet out and I put some parchment paper down on it, because this is where we're going to put our nests. And I have opened up our mini eggs. Oh yeah, fold it in nice and good. This bowl will not fit in the microwave. In my cute little baby blue microwave. I think this is gonna work. So they are beautifully coated. And now we've got a spoon. We're gonna take a spoon, put them on here, kind of make a little nest in the middle. And then we're gonna take and we're gonna go, there's an egg. There's a cute egg. And there's a cute egg. And that's what we're going to do. And we're going to repeat that all over the place. Oh my goodness. We did it.
That looks pretty good.
That looks amazing. And it was way easier than I thought.
It's super simple.
Now it says you can put them in the fridge to help let the chocolate,
But
chocolate
the first,
peanut
you
butter
can
mix.
tell this first one is almost already dry.
Yeah.
I mean, it sticks together pretty good.
Yeah, I wouldn't even worry about putting them in the fridge or anything.
But you could
like
if
that.
you were
If you were in a hurry.
Yep. Or if it was super hot out.
Yeah, that's true too. I guess I didn't think about that. They turned out so cute. Look, we did make a robin's nest.
We did.
Because Jamie said make a robin's nest.
I did.
This one was huge, so we gave it 4 eggs because
Yeah,
we figured that bird was probably bigger.
Needed.
Oh, these are going to be amazing. So now we're going to let these cool so that we can take them off of here and then I guess give them a try.
Yep.
Although there is some, there's
in
some
there.
in there. Hi, Memphis. Oh, these are so cute. After letting them sit for a little bit, they are perfect. Look at how cool these are. Look at everything's stuck. They turned out perfect. Oh, you're just in time.
Oh, nice.
Would you like to try one?
Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna.
You can eat half of it if you would like.
I don't know. Might crumble in my mouth.
It might. Careful. There you go. Let me see the inside. Look at chow mein noodles. What are your thoughts on that flavor?
It's like the bottom of a Kit Kat
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah. It's got that like sweet peanut buttery taste. Good catch. I was looking down to make sure it didn't fall. Good catch. Win?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Good. I gotta try it too. I took the egg off it so it doesn't fall. Because there's some little eyeballs right here. So I ate the egg first. Oh, I did it. None of it fell. You should make these. Those are really good. Easy, fun, something different. You should totally make these. Whoa. Third best kitchen helper in the kitchen? Is it because you knew? You knew I was giving out some plain chow mein noodles? Plain chow mein noodles? Eleanor, do you like these or not like these? You made that face. Oh no, you like them. She likes them. That means one more for you. Thank you for chewing. And one more for you. Thanks for chewing. Okay, no more chow mein noodles. Get out of here. All right, you guys. Like I said, you should make these. They were easy. They were fun. They were different. We hope you have a wonderful Easter. If you would like to see some of the other videos that we've done, there'll be links on the screen and down in the video description below. All right, you guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again hopefully soon. Hopefully next week. Goodbye, audience.